Hey guys, Eric Taylor here again. I'm back to give you a little bit more information on Marketplace and how I am making $100 of profit a day. That's an average. Sometimes it's more a day, sometimes it's less. Actually, the average is probably is like 115, 120, somewhere in that range. Again, not full blast into this, kind of a part-time thing. But I want to show you guys how to do this so you can start making some money. Now, I drop ship on Marketplace. You can order products if you want and sell them on Marketplace. That works well. If you're kind of tight on money, drop shipping is the best way. And I'm going to get into more detail on that in the future. I'm also going to develop a training class or series or something that goes from the very beginning to the end that will get you up and running for sure. But I want to go over some things to kind of let you know and get you up to date on how to do this. The main thing that you want to do is what you're doing is you're finding products out there to sell on Marketplace. You find them, you post them, obviously you raise the price enough where you can make some money, and then when the person buys them, you basically just ship from that website to their address that they give you. They'll buy through Marketplace. Marketplace handles the money. When the customer receives the product, they will send you the money at that point. I've found they send it out a little bit sooner than that, but as long as you'll record the tracking numbers and everything after it ships. So it's pretty cool how they've got it set up. Marketplace is trying to become another eBay or something, a platform such as eBay or Amazon. So they're really moving forward. I say Marketplace, it's Facebook Marketplace, so you're basically dealing with Facebook here. But I'm just going to kind of show you how I find products and things, and you can use any website. Some of them are not drop ship friendly. This is something you'll learn, and I'll provide in the future a spreadsheet or something to kind of let you know what sites are, probably what the best sites are. That way, if you want to go to something else and try it, you can. But I've been doing this for drop shipping probably for 13 years. I've been in this for 15 to 20 years, and so and I haven't been, that 13 years hasn't been all in drop shipping, because I was on Amazon selling to ordering products from China and stuff and selling on there. So I was doing that for a while. But drop shipping is kind of fun to do, and I like doing it. Let's just get started. I've got an example here on Overstock. Just click on Overstock, and a lot of these sites you'll get cash back, discounts and things off the products. I've had in the past where I would like Overstock. Some of them sell on it. I was doing a lot of this on eBay back in the day, and a lot of times Overstock and some of the other sites would advertise something, but and they would advertise on eBay at their price that they have it on their website as. Well, I was getting so many cash back coupons and things that I could advertise it cheaper than what they did on eBay and still make money. So you want to look for those. And Overstock, for example, if you just join this club rewards up here, you're going to get 5% off, and it's free shipping. So that's a no-brainer. I think it's $40 a year or something, $30. I don't even remember what it was. And then also I have up here the different cash back sites. I use Be Frugal, and you can use all of them if you want and find your best deal. But I just clicked on this button here, and it tells me I can activate 7% cash back on this. So I'll get 7% cash back through Be Frugal, and I'll get 5% cash back through Overstock on whatever the prices I find. So one of the things you want to look for on any site is the reviews and the key to this is finding something big. I mean, something big for a cheaper price. That's not bad there. But it only has 4 reviews, so that means you're not actually looking at, you do want a good product. In other words, 4 stars, 5 stars. But the idea of looking here at this number 4, that tells you that not a lot of people have bought this yet. So you're not sure whether people are going to buy it. Now we'll go down and find more. And all I did here was type in coffee table and search. This one has 46, so it's usually, and not everybody rates, of course, so it's usually 4 or 5 times that if so many people bought it. So that's a pretty good selling item. It's not that big, and the price is kind of high, I think. 101. Here's one, 189, and the price is pretty good at 128. And a lot, 400 or 500 people have bought this, so you know it's a good selling item. So we'll just click on that and take a look at it. So 128, we know we're going to get what, 7% through Be Frugal, 5, so we're 12% off. So you're looking around $112. Now when you sell on, when you buy it, it's going to charge you a tax rate for wherever you're shipping it to. So some states there are no sales tax. The marketplace will collect all the sales tax based on whatever the state, city, etc. A good average is 8%, so I would take that 112 times 1.08 to get the 8%, and I'm going to guess around $120 is what this is going to cost us. And you could sell it for, and marketplace takes 5% fees, so I'm guessing you could probably sell this for $149 and make about 20 bucks to $25, and basically you'll just be, the order process will come through marketplace, you'll come on there, click a few buttons, send it, make $20 for hardly any time at all, or $25, and you can mark these up whatever you feel like. This would probably sell a lot of them for $149 or $150. You could price it at $119 and $30 shipping, and probably get a lot of sales because a lot of people will come in at $119. I know a lot of people will buy it for $119, and $30 shipping. Most people, if they really like it, will go ahead and pay that shipping. So and then you just take the pictures from here and place them on Facebook in your listing. You've got some information here, you can use some of that and put in your listing, and you're ready to go. And when somebody buys it, you just come back over here, add to cart, make sure you're getting all your discounts, and you ship it to them. So there's, like I said, there's a lot of websites you can use to do this, and it works. I've been doing it now since the middle of October. And since the middle of October to the end of December, I sold $12,000 worth of profit. I sold over almost $50,000 of sales, and I had the profit of around $12,000. So, and you know, you're talking now $100 a day just clicking a few buttons, and then taking some time to find 2 or 3 listings. I try to do 2 or 3 listings a day, but that doesn't work out. So I'll be good to get 5 to 10 listings up a week. 10 is probably an aggressive number. I've been doing this part-time, and I've been kind of lucky to jump into this, and there's a lot of other people doing it now too, so there's some advantages, disadvantages. This video is getting too long now, so I'm going to stop, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.